Airplanes are painted white to reflect heat, simplify maintenance, and reduce operational costs. This technical choice ensures efficiency and safety in flight. Enjoyed the insight? Subscribe to the channel for more amazing aviation facts. When asked why almost all commercial aircraft are painted white, aerospace engineer Marcelo answers with a smile. Because white is the most efficient color aviation has ever known. This efficiency begins with the physics of solar radiation. White reflects nearly 90% of visible light, while darker tones absorb most of it. Airplanes spend hours under the sun, especially when parked on hot tarmacs in tropical or desert climates. Painting the fuselage white drastically reduces heat absorption, helping keep the aircraft's internal temperature more stable, and easing the burden on the air conditioning systems, particularly on the ground, when engines are off and power comes from the Auxiliary Power Unit, APU. This not only improves passenger comfort, but also results in energy savings and extends the lifespan of electrical and cooling systems. From an operational standpoint, choosing white translates into lower fuel consumption and reduced operating costs. Beyond thermal control, white provides a key structural advantage. It allows for easier detection of visual defects. Any type of anomaly, cracks, oil stains, corrosion points, or bird strike impacts, stands out more clearly against a light surface than against a dark one. This visibility facilitates visual maintenance inspections, which are a mandatory part of pre-flight safety checks. In the world of aircraft maintenance, every minute matters. Faster, more efficient inspections mean less time on the ground, which translates to lower losses for airlines. White, therefore, contributes to preventive maintenance and supports operational safety and efficiency. There's another, less obvious advantage. Weight. A colorful paint job may seem like a purely visual decision, but every layer of paint adds weight to the aircraft. A fully customized, colorful livery can add up to 250 kilograms compared to a basic white coating. In an industry where weight optimization directly impacts fuel consumption, that difference is significant. Less weight means greater efficiency, longer range, and reduced CO2 emissions. There's also a commercial benefit. An aircraft's lifespan usually includes more than one airline. Planes are bought, sold, leased, and returned frequently. A white aircraft is like a blank canvas. It can be rebranded or repainted more easily. This reduces costs and downtime during ownership transitions. Leasing companies prefer white aircraft for exactly this reason. From a thermal, structural, operational, and commercial standpoint, white reigns supreme. But there's also a psychological factor. White conveys a sense of cleanliness, safety, order, and freshness. When a passenger sees a white aircraft, they subconsciously associate it with reliability. Dark or flashy colors might unintentionally suggest heat, wear, or improvised maintenance. Even airlines known for bolder liveries, like Southwest or Norwegian, generally keep large portions of the fuselage white, concentrating color on specific regions like the tail. This shows that even when brand identity calls for distinction, white remains the most practical foundation. Back in the hangar, technicians begin post-paint inspection. The paint used, known as polyurethane high-gloss aviation white, is applied in ultra-thin, highly durable layers resistant to abrasion, UV radiation, and high-speed particle impact. Though white, this special paint includes compounds engineered to endure extreme temperature, pressure, and humidity variations, all part of the flight environment. The white coating also aids in cooling during cruising altitudes, especially when crossing sun-intense regions at over 11,000 meters. Although the air is cold at such altitudes, direct solar radiation can still cause surface heating. White helps maintain thermal uniformity on the exterior, protecting sensors, electronic systems, and the structural integrity of metal alloys and composite materials. Finally, there's the environmental and economic aspect. Less paint means fewer chemicals, less solvent, and less waste. Painting an aircraft consumes hundreds of liters of paint, and its application involves complex industrial processes. Choosing a standard white coating, thinner and requiring less reapplication, reduces long-term environmental impact and costs. In aerospace engineering, no decision is random. White isn't just an aesthetic choice or a traditional standard. It's a reflection of technical logic, operational safety, and the ongoing pursuit of efficiency as the Airbus A330 is towed back onto the tarmac, ready for its next flight. Its white fuselage gleams as a silent reminder. In aviation, even color flies with purpose.